What's good with it, y'all? Back again, another video. It's your boy Raw Ink Shop. So in this video, we're just gonna be doing a tour. I'm in a new crib. One of my other cribs. I have a few cribs, but this is one of my cribs, and I'm gonna be doing a lot of videos here. So basically, I'm gonna just give y'all a quick tour. So if you guys are new to my channel, go by the name Raw Ink Shop. Make sure y'all like, subscribe. So right here, this is kind of like my office area. This is kind of where I do, like, if I want to get my orders done, I start here. Check out the orders. This is the website too. By any chance, if you guys haven't checked out the website, make sure y'all check out the website. We're having a sale on these hoodies right here. These hoodies are $40, and I'm doing like a 15% discount for just basically any of my supporters like that. So this is the site. You could go. I'm gonna put the link in the description, so if you want to check out the site. But this is basically like my office area right here. I get a lot of work done. Like in the morning time, I get up, have my cup of coffee, and gotta check the orders and stuff like that. I do it all right here. So this is pretty much my process and stuff. Moving on, you know, got my snacks. My main thing is bananas. I eat a lot of bananas. These is actually about to go bad, so I gotta hurry up and eat these. Got my chips. OJ. Can't forget the OJ. Hey, yo. This is my go-to, y'all. I gotta have me an OJ. So orange juice, definitely dope. I guess you could say this is my MTV Cribs. You can see. Gotta have a ranch. Can't go wrong with the ranch salad. Lettuce. Gotta have some chicken. It's good, you know. Gotta have some chicken. Moving on. So you know, this is basically my rack owl. So these are the hoodies that I have on the website. So if you guys don't know, these hoodies right here are on sale for $40. You want to grab it. So these is basically my daily wear. So if I want to switch the colors, you know, I change the colors up and stuff like that. This one right here, I gotta say I wear this one pretty much every day. So most time you're gonna probably see me in this hoodie. I know a lot of videos I wear this hoodie just because it's black, and you can't go wrong with black, guys. So black is my daily wear. Plus this jacket and this black jacket right here. That's one of my daily wear right here. This is the order package here. So it's here's an order I have to do. So as you can see, you'll see the Inky and T logo. This is a hoodie right here. It's actually a blue hoodie. I have to give to one of the customers I got here. It's the balcony. I'm gonna check the balcony. Go out there, get some sunlight, stuff like that. I don't have no furniture yet, because I literally just moved in here like a few days ago. So gotta definitely get some furniture in the living room. This is my son's room right here. Bathroom. Definitely, I gotta get some shower curtains and stuff like that. Here's my room right here. Right now, we on the air mattress until we get to bed. We just moved in. Studio right here. I plan on definitely getting a studio soon. This is kind of like if you don't know my main channel on Raw Ink, a lot of songs I've been pre-recording. Trying this mic right here. It's all Audio Technica. The quality is not that bad, so if you guys need a mic, check that mic. It's like $100, and you know what I mean. I'm trying to learn the studio thing, but I actually stopped making music for a while just to focus on Raw Ink Shop and the clothing brand. So if you guys are wondering why I haven't dropped no music, I've been focusing on this channel, but I still got some videos. If you want to check out Dreams Reality and check out Follow the Cross on my main channel, Raw Ink. So moving on, TV here. yeah, this basically the room. So yeah, it's pretty much it right here. Just want, you know, something to, you know, pretty much to relax and stuff like that. But majority of my day, I spend my time just really in my office area. So when I'm like doing orders and stuff like that. So, but I do plan on making more videos on, like, I feel like I need like this wall right here. I'm gonna use this wall probably to have a new setup. So you guys are gonna definitely see new setups in my up and coming videos of the wall being with the raw ink shop. So, you know, if you guys like this video, man, make sure y'all like, subscribe, you know what I mean, drop comments and stuff like that. I'm definitely excited. It's been a blessing because it's just a lot been going on, personal stuff, you know, personal reasons. So a lot of stuff been going on, but you know, I'm back in my zone, I'm back in my grind, and I'm definitely gonna be giving y'all back to back content. So be prepared, turn on the notifications if you guys want some, you know, exclusive gems. Check out my real estate video I just dropped. I just made a live yesterday. And I made a live about land contracts. So if you guys haven't checked that out, make sure y'all check that out. And I'm gonna catch y'all in my next video. Raw Ink Shop.